Hi, you all. Joe with y'all. Indian Joe. Hoya, 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 hoya. Whatever, eh? Anyways, my old chainsaw almost kicked the bucket. Well, pretty much so. Can't get parts for it. Keeps breaking down. So that means, yes, I'm going out to buy a new saw. Don't know what kind of saw yet. We're going to see what they have in town. So stay tuned for a new saw unboxing video. I hope anyway, so it's not assembled. Break sakes. Anyway, see ya. Okay, so we bought a new saw. Didn't go with John Thread. Had to go with Stihl. Stihl's a good name, I guess. Anyways, cost us $1219.99, and it's a Stihl MS 400 CM. So, buddy's filling up the saw right now. He's gonna show us that it works, as you know, he's a sales guy, so we gotta make sure it works. So I guess no unboxing video. Oh, anyways, we'll wait for the guy to come out with the saw and we'll figure things out from there. And then have fun with the saw. Okay, so I'm a proud owner of a Stihl chainsaw. A Stihl MS 400C. Whatever that means yet. Still yet to figure that one out. But it does have the new magnesium piston. So the 400 was lighter than the 394 or some crazy number like that. So anyways, it's got power. Lots of power. Show you what comes in. Well, after you buy it from the dealership. Comes with a chainsaw wrench, tuning screwdriver, and nail and key in there. And the manual right here. And safety glasses. Okay, so it's brand new saw. He was just trying to figure out if there's a primer on it or not, so we're not 100% sure yet. I hope not. Never had a primer on my other saw, so we'll figure things out when he comes back out again. Oh, there we go.